Welcome to License Metric Tool videos. This video will walk you through the deployment of License Metric Tool Lite on Windows. License Metric Tool helps you maintain an inventory of the non-containerized IBM software that is deployed in your environment. It also measures utilization of various license metrics, such as PVU or VPC by your products. It is intended to help you manage your IBM software licensing requirements and help you maintain an audit-ready posture. License Metric Tool Lite is a lightweight deployment option that is characterized by a simple infrastructure. It is based on disconnected scanners that collect software and capacity data from the scanned computers and generate packages with scan results. In case of License Metric Tool Lite, it is your responsibility to ensure that scan results are uploaded to the License Metric Tool server daily. There is a number of options how the transfer can be set up. This video shows how to use an embedded upload mechanism that is based on curl commands. License Metric Tool Lite is pre-approved for environments with up to 500 computers that report to License Metric Tool. For environments with more reporting computers, you can use License Metric Tool with Ansible or with BigFix. Infrastructure Overview. The deployment of License Metric Tool Lite server on Windows requires the installation of the MS SQL Server or MS SQL Server Express database. Neither the license nor the installer for any of these databases is provided with License Metric Tool. You need to use your own database. Alternatively, you can install the License Metric Tool server on Linux, which requires the DB2 database that is provided free of charge. Apart from the database, you need to install the disconnected scanner on every computer on which you have IBM software installed. The scanner discovers software and hardware inventory by running scripts that are provided in the disconnected scanner package. The scripts use the operating system scheduler to set up software scans that run weekly and capacity scans that run every 30 minutes. They also set up daily creation of packages with scan results. The packages need to be uploaded to the License Metric Tool server, to which they are by default imported daily at midnight. You can also trigger the import manually on demand. Ordering License Metric Tool and downloading the installer. Before you can download the License Metric Tool installer, you need to place a $0 order on Passport Advantage. Although License Metric Tool is free of charge, ordering it through Passport Advantage establishes an IBM entitlement record for the License Metric Tool license, as well as software subscription and technical support. After you place the order, the License Metric Tool server installer for Windows becomes available on your Passport Advantage account. For information about the part number and the name of the installation package, refer to the Downloading IBM License Metric Tool 9.2 tech note, which is updated with the latest package details. Installing the server. Before you start the installation of the License Metric Tool server, install the MS SQL Server or MS SQL Server Express database. You can install it on the same computer as the License Metric Tool server or on a separate Windows computer. This step is not shown in the video. After you download the installer package from Passport Advantage to the Windows computer, go to the directory with the installation package and extract the installation files. To start the installation, run the setup server windows.bat file. When the installer opens, choose the language of the installation and click OK. Read the summary of components that will be installed and click Next. Read and accept the license agreement and click Next. The installer will check whether the computer fulfills the installation requirements. Review the installation path for the License Metric Tool server and click Next. Review information about the port number that will be used by the browser to display the License Metric Tool web user interface and the port number that will be used by the local VM Manager tool and click Next. Specify the user account that you want to be used for running the application service and click Next. Installation summary is displayed. Review the summary and click Install. When the installation completes, click Done to open the License Metric Tool web user interface in the browser and complete the initial configuration. It might take some time before the configuration panel is available. In the web user interface, perform the steps to create the License Metric Tool database. If you have the MS SQL Server installed on the same computer as the License Metric Tool server, simply accept the defaults. Then choose the authentication method. Finally, click Create. Then create the administrator of License Metric Tool. Choose the type of the data source as disconnected. Review the path to a directory to which packages with scan results will be transferred from the scanned computers. Then click Create. Wait for the initial setup to complete. After the setup finishes, the License Metric Tool dashboard is displayed. At this point, it does not contain any data as you need to install disconnected scanners on the computers in your infrastructure and set up daily transfer of scan results to the License Metric Tool server. Disconnected scanner packages for all supported operating systems are available from the License Metric Tool user interface. Alternatively, you can copy them from the following directory on the License Metric Tool server. Installing disconnected scanners, gathering data, and setting up daily transfer of scan results to the License Metric Tool server. There are a couple of methods that you can use to transfer scan results from the scanned computers to License Metric Tool. Those methods include creating an automation script that is based on REST API calls, mounting a shared folder on every computer on which the disconnected scanner is installed, and specifying this folder as a disconnected data source, using a task automation software of your choice, for example Red Hat Ansible, using an embedded upload mechanism that is based on curl commands. This method will be shown in this video. To use this method, the following requirements must be met. Both the License Metric Tool server and the disconnected scanner must be in version 9.2.30 or higher. The computer from which you want to upload disconnected scan results must have curl installed, and it must have connectivity to the License Metric Tool server, direct or through a proxy, through the port that is used for REST API data traffic, 9081 by default. You must have the Manage Scan Uploads permission to perform this task. It is recommended to create a dedicated user in License Metric Tool that will be used specifically to upload results of disconnected scans. Let's first see how to create such a user. Go to Management Roles and create a new role with the permission to manage scan uploads. Click Create. Now go to Management Users and create a new user. Assign this user with the role that you just created. Then choose the computer group to which the user will have access and specify the authentication method. Click Create. Next, click on the new user and click Show Token. You will need this token later on. We can now move to setting up the transfer of data. To install the disconnected scanner, set up gathering of data and its daily transfer to the License Metric Tool server, perform the following steps. Upload the disconnected scanner package to an installation directory of your choice on the computers on which you have IBM software installed. Unpack the disconnected scanner package. Go to the config subdirectory and open the setup config ini file. In the LMT server URL parameter, provide the address of the License Metric Tool server to which packages with disconnected scan results will be uploaded. Provide it in the following format: IP address or hostname, :port. In the LMT server API token parameter, provide the token of the user that will be used to upload disconnected scan results to the License Metric Tool server. You can obtain the token from the License Metric Tool user interface. To start the installation, run the setup.bat script. The script performs the following tasks: installs the scanner, runs the initial capacity scan that collects data about the computer and creates a computer YML file that identifies this computer, schedules software and capacity scans that run with the recommended frequencies, creates packages with the disconnected scan results. To check whether scan results were generated, go to the directory that you specified in the scanner configuration file. By default, scan results are generated in the output subdirectory. A package with scan results should appear within a few minutes after the installation of the scanner. The packages are not overwritten. Their upload is scheduled to run regularly. When the package is successfully uploaded to the disconnected data source, it is removed from the file system of the computer on which the scan was run. Collecting capacity data from VMs and public clouds. For some types of virtual machines, for example VMware and public clouds, additional setup is required to collect their capacity data. For VMs, you either need to set up connection to the VM manager or run a scan of the virtualization host, depending on the type of the VM. For public clouds, you need to mark computers as running on the public cloud from the license metric tool user interface. For the list of VMs and public clouds that require additional setup as well as detailed instructions, refer to the product documentation. To set up connection to a VM manager, perform the following steps. Log into License Metric tool and go to Management VM Managers and click New. Select the virtualization type and provide the required details. Click Create. Connection to the VM Manager is created and its status is pending. Select the VM Manager and click Test Connection. The test might take a few minutes. Refresh the panel to see the updated status. If the VM Manager connection is properly configured, the connection test status changes to successful. To mark a computer as running on a public cloud, perform the following steps. Go to Reports Hardware Inventory. Select the computer that runs on a public cloud and click Mark as Public Cloud. Select the type of the cloud and click Submit. Next steps. After you complete the deployment, log into License Metric tool and focus on 3 widgets that are visible in the top row: Deployment Health, Software Scan Health, and Capacity Scan Health. The widgets will inform you if any problems with the infrastructure setup occur. Troubleshoot the problems from left to right. Resolving an issue with the deployment health might automatically resolve an issue with software or capacity scan health. Next, proceed to the classification of your discovered software inventory that is performed on the software classification report. Once this is done, generate an audit snapshot from the All Metrics report. The snapshot is the final report of your license metric utilization. For more information about classifying your software inventory and generating the audit snapshot, refer to the product documentation or watch dedicated videos. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out the links below.